Thank you for your interest in American Virtual Academy. ESA funds can be applied to your tuition, ensuring no out-of-pocket cost to you. To get you started with enrollment, follow these steps to create an ADEConnect account and apply for your ESA funds. If you've created an ADEConnect account in the past and it's still active, you can select the green Yes button to log into your account. If you don't yet have an account, select No Create My Account. Please note, if you're a parent or guardian of more than one student applying for ESA funds, you only need one ADEConnect account registration. You'll register the parent or guardian information, including name and email address. Then select Register. Once your parent or guardian registration is complete, you'll receive an email from ADE Notifications. Select the verification link to complete activation. Back at the ADEConnect portal, you'll select a password for your account. Once it's confirmed, you'll select Set Password. You should receive a message notifying you that your ADEConnect account has been set up. Please allow 15 minutes before logging into home.azed.gov/portal to log into your new account. Using the credentials from your ADEConnect sign-up, enter your email and password and sign into the AZED portal. Carefully review the acceptable use policy. To approve the terms of use, you'll select Accept. Here is your ADEConnect home dashboard. Using the links found on this page, you can access and apply for your ESA funds and manage your profile. If you get stuck, you can access the Help tool for additional support. To begin your ESA application, you'll select View Applications. Open up Independent Applications and select ESA Applicant Portal. Input your guardian information. When complete, select Save Changes. Your guardian profile is now updated. You can review the information here. To continue with your ESA application, select the home icon. It's now time to get started with the student application. You'll select Create New Application. Then you'll select this box to acknowledge that the student for which you're applying cannot be attending a public or charter school to participate in the ESA program. Then select Submit Acknowledgement. Carefully read the eligibility requirements found here. Then, select Continue to move forward with the application. Only Arizona residents are eligible to receive ESA funds. You'll select Yes if both you and the student reside in Arizona. You'll indicate that this application is for the 2025-26 school year. Review the eligibility requirements. You may only select one primary option. If your student does not meet a specific designation listed below, such as having been identified as having a disability with an IEP or 504, or child of an active duty military member, for example, you'll select Universal Student, grades kindergarten through 12. This universal category applies to all K-12 students in Arizona, making them eligible for ESA funding regardless of income, location, or previous academic performance. Once you've selected your eligibility requirement, you'll select Continue. Review your selected eligibility and the documents you will need to apply. For universal applications, this includes a copy of your student's birth certificate, your parent or guardian government-issued identification, such as passport or driver's license, and proof of Arizona residency. For other eligibilities, additional documents or information may be required. First, you'll upload your student's birth certificate. Next, you'll provide documentation of current government-issued identification for the parent or guardian. Select that file and enter the corresponding ID number. Finally, you'll provide proof of Arizona residency. In most cases, the date of this documentation must not exceed 60 days. The name on the documentation must also match the name of the applicant. Once uploaded, select Continue. Enter in your student's personal information, including name, gender, date of birth, grade level, and birth certificate number. Then, verify that you have read and understood the following requirements for this ESA application. Finally, type your name and select Submit. Select Confirm that you are applying for the upcoming 2025-26 school year. Your application is now complete. Your ESA application number will be listed on this page. Expect a wait time of up to 30 days before receiving an email about the status of your application. You can download a copy by selecting Save Copy here.